Hey guys, today I will show you how to trade Dota 2 items. Trading lets you exchange items with friends instead of buying or selling them on the market. First, open Steam, hover the mouse on your name and go to your inventory. Click Trade Offers, then New Trade Offer. Select the person you want to trade with. Choose the item you want to trade from both of your inventories. Confirm the trade, then select Make Offer. Confirm the trade through your Steam mobile app. You should see the trade request once the page refreshes. Once the other person confirms the trade, the item should move instantly between inventories. Quick tip: you can still trade if you don't want anything from their inventory. This will be tagged as a gift when confirming the trade. And that's how to trade Dota 2 items. Thank you so much for watching.